Yo, what is going on, guys? Today I'm going to walk you through exactly how I profit from meme coins without playing the trading game. Most people trade meme coins and they lose all their money, but us instead, we focus on creating the coin, launching it right on chain, and then letting the demand come in naturally, bro. Then you can just cash out and do that over and over again. That shift has made me far more money than trading ever did, and most people still don't see the potential. Anyways, bro, I will be ungatekeeping the method in this video. Fuck it. What you are seeing here is $9 million, which came from being the creator of these coins, not the buyer. Most people are on the wrong side of meme coins, and today I'm showing you how to switch sides and actually become potentially profitable. Now, a lot of people in this space, right, lose a lot of fucking money in meme coins, not because they're bad at timing, but it's because every single time they buy a coin, well, they get completely dumped on, bro. The complete zero, just like this chart. It's a perfect example right here. Even if I go on another coin like this one, for example, boom, it went to zero. And this one, it went to complete zero after a 50k market cap, bro. They buy once or twice, and after that, bro, when the hype died down and there's no more fucking volume in the coin, well, the person who created the coin exits into that pressure and takes all of you guys' money and positions. And that's exactly why you have to stop trading, bro. You have to stop trading and you have to start deving, because the creators of these coins, okay, are making way more money than trading, and it's absolutely fucking ridiculous. Devs nowadays are making way more money than trading, and that's because deving meme coins has low downside and high upside, but trading, on the other hand, you could buy in right here, here, and here and still lose your money. That's exactly why I switched to deving, and a bunch of KOLs are actually moving into launching, bro. It's absolutely fucking insane. Now, when you trade meme coins nowadays, bro, well, 95% of these coins are going to go to zero, so you have a high chance of losing your money if you buy a token. So the simple way out of this is to start deving and making coins on chain. It's really fucking simple. All we're doing is creating coins based off of certain narratives. We wait for buyers to buy our coin, we wait for the volume to be high and for the market cap to reach a certain point, and when we are ready to cash out, we just fucking cash out, right? Now, like I said, bro, in 2026, for the past 2 months, deving has become way more popular and way more mainstream in this niche. So that's exactly why I'm making this video, bro. I will be ungatekeeping the method. I will show you guys exactly how to do it, bro. How to dev coins professionally on the Solana blockchain, all into this video. It's going to be A to Z guide, and that's exactly why you have to keep watching. And by the way, bro, do not take this video seriously. I am not a financial advisor. It's all for educational purposes only. So yeah, bro, cap. Now, a lot of devs actually launched their meme coins on Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys watching this video already knows what Pump.Fun is. Basically, here is where all the meme coins are being launched on Solana, right? And problem with launching meme coins on Pump.Fun is that Pump.Fun is oversaturated. There's too many coins launching all at the same time, which means if you launch a meme coin, well, your coin will flop and it will gain no attention. And also, bro, even worse than that, Pump.Fun takes a cut from your liquidity pool and takes a cut from your fees, right? The creator fees that you gain as a dev. And on top of that, bro, the main goal is to get your meme coin in front of the Raydium decks in the migrate section, where thousands of people are waiting to buy your coin potentially. Now, to level up your meme coin to Raydium, bro, you guys already know this, but your meme coin needs to reach a $55,000 market cap on Pump.Fun, and that takes too long and too much luck. So I would highly recommend, bro, to use create meme.io, because every single coin that is created through here goes to Raydium immediately. It will skip the entire line of the bonding curve and it will go directly to Raydium, shown to thousands of potential traders and apers for your meme coin. That's why people are gatekeeping this site. Now, I'm going to walk you through exactly how you launch a coin on this platform. There are two different ways to create a token here, and the one that you choose all depends on how you want to play it out. Now, the first method is building a coin entirely from scratch using the main page. Now, you could just go on X, right, and I would look for a viral tweet, a political headline, you know, a meme spreading fast, anything, okay? Just look for a narrative and turn it into a meme coin by, you know, picking a name, setting up a ticker symbol, and uploading a logo, and then just like that, bro, your meme coin is live after these simple steps. But if you're looking for speed and instant traction, bro, there's another option to launch a meme coin, and that is the copy trending coins tab. Now these are all tokens that are gaining massive attention and non-stop buyers on Pump.Fun, which means the hype is validated, the narrative is great, and the volume is already in these coins, which means instead of starting a whole new coin from zero, you were copying a coin to Raydium, and then you were gaining a bunch of volume in your meme coin, and you could potentially even surpass the coin that you copied because you were launching to Raydium on top of that. So I would do an example to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Now guys, now it's time for the best part of today's video. We will be deploying a token, okay, and then seeing how much we can make from this launch, okay. Now first of all, make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected just like that, right? It takes a second, then click on refresh, and then all your coins will pop up. All these coins are all trending right now, and then just choose one and copy it. I'm gonna copy the white pill coin. Why not? Click on copy to Raydium, wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up, obviously, and then ignore the block. It's completely normal for every launch buy, right? Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm, and then the coin should be created. Just give it some time for it to, you know, load. It's loading right here. Boom. And now if I go on SoScan, you guys can see that it's live on chain 11 seconds ago, and now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking easy. We are just creating the liquidity pool, and then people will be able to buy your coin in the migrate section. It is going to show up right here, okay? This is a shortcut from fucking a Pump.Fun coin to Raydium. It will level it up. Now for the amount of coins right here for your coin, right, for the public, I would highly recommend 90%. That is the sweet spot for the supply. If you do not understand this, bro, just do not worry about it. Just click on 90% right under for the amount of SOL to pair, okay? I would highly recommend anywhere from 0.3 to 0.5 SOL. This is basically the first initial buy in your own coin as a dev for some supply, and that's exactly how we're going to profit from this coin. And by the way, bro, you are not losing anything here, because once you dump the coin, it will come back in your Phantom wallet. 0.3 SOL is what I'm going to put personally. 0.32 or 0.3, I don't care. Click on create pool, wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. And when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the WP coin is now live, and your PNL is going to show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button, well, as you guys can see, wow, we are up $151. People are buying our coin instantly once it was launched, like 10 seconds ago. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart, or you can go on Axum or, you know, Nova Terminal. It's up to you. Let me go on full screen. Then it should load in, and bang guys, the coin is on live. As you guys can see, okay, we're getting a bit of transactions, okay. It is kind of slow, but do not worry about it. Bang, $60 worth of buys. More and more people are going to start seeing the coin in the migrate section, and they are going to decide if they want to ape in, okay. And then you can just farm these buyers, right? Wait for your coin to go up and up and up, and when the volume is high, then now you can dump it, clip profits, or do whatever you want as a dev, okay. You can even send coins to your friends. It's up to you, okay. I like to keep all the profits to me personally. Yeah, you know, $55, $20, not bad, okay. Bro, we created this coin for $0, and now we're gaining a bunch of traction. Like, bro, you guys have to start deving, bro. I'm not even joking. Yo, it's actually insane, guys. Boom, $150 worth of buys. I think we're up like $500 at the moment, bro. You guys have to start deving. Anyways, bro, I'm gonna let this coin run, and when I come back, bro, we are going to cash out. You guys will see. Consolidating. I believe it's going to go more up, but I want to cash out right now to make this video short and sweet. So when you want to cash out, come back to create meme.io real quick, and obviously bro, click on refresh. And boom bro, not bad bro, we are up $1.9 thousand. Your P&L is the amount that you are going to receive when you dump, well, when you cash out 100% of your profits. And to do that, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, and then just wait for your wallet to show up real quick. And as you guys can see here bro, we are going to receive around 22.5 Solana, which is not too shabby. Click on confirm. And bang bro, that's exactly how you launch a meme coin, right? And do this all live right now bro. If I open my Phantom wallet for some proof, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, bang bro, 1.9 thousand went in my wallet. Obviously bro, you can do that over and over again, but the results will vary. Sometimes you might make 0, 20, 100, 5,000, 10,000, you never know bro. And that's why I love deving bro, it's really enjoyable. Now it's up to you to do whatever the fuck you want with this information. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, right? Or go on Google and type in create meme.io. Join my Discord, join my Telegram, like, comment, subscribe, peace out.